Hey guys, Stephanie from AmericanMuscle.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at the X-Force electronic exhaust cutout kit in 2.5 inches for all 1979 and newer Mustangs. This is a universal kit that you can place anywhere you see fit in your 2.5 inch diameter exhaust. It's going to be for the Mustang owners out there that would love to be able to change their exhaust note on the fly and go from a normal sound to a much louder one in just a few seconds. This kit uses an electronic butterfly on a switch to bypass your mufflers and cats, depending on where you install this, and create a wide open exhaust and then switch back whenever you want to. The kit costs about $200 and the install will be a 3 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter. So this kit has a few different pieces. You only get one Y with the kit, so just keep that in mind. You get all of your electronic components, and this system even has a self-cleaning flange to help with exhaust residue buildup. You can always pick up another kit if you wanted to have dual cutouts, and keep in mind that this is made to work with 2.5 inch diameter piping. X-Force does make another kit that's for 3 inch exhaust, so if you have or plan on upgrading to 3 inch, you'll want to check that kit out. This is a universal kit, so it can really be installed anywhere in your exhaust that you want. You can make it so it'll bypass your mufflers, or bypass both mufflers and cats. Of course, every car will be different, and where you put this does depend on your exhaust setup. You want to make sure that it won't be making contact with the underside of the car, other exhaust components, and that it's away from anything that hot exhaust should not be near. X-Force has been making variable exhaust for quite some time now, so you can only guess that they have everything down to a science at this point. They make full variable catback and axle backs that are able to change sounds on the fly using the same key fob that comes in this kit. The kit is made to fit nicely and avoid having any exhaust leaks. The electronics are very similar to their axle back and catback technology. We've got the Y-pipe and the cutout, but we're also looking at a wiring harness for you to wire in your switch through the cabin so you can activate the cutout from the driver's seat as you please. Of course, you'll need to cut your exhaust in order to install this kit. For that reason, we're going to call this install a 3 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter. You'll also need some basic wiring skills in order to wire up the cutout to the switch. As always, you guys can check this kit out more online right here at AmericanMuscle.com.